So what we're looking at here is something I ordered on Jegs. This is the Bosch FST 8050 retro chrome analog tachometer, and I'm going to install this into my 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 with the 428. So obviously these older cars have basically just idiot lights. So if you overheat or anything, you've got the So the other thing with this is, now when you get this, you'll have to take the item apart, separate it completely, because they don't give you any of these wires here. They say go ahead and provide your own 18 or 20 gauge connection. So last night I went ahead and connected all the wiring inside of the unit and then reassembled it. Today I am going to install it. So the first thing we want to do is make sure it works and is reading accurately. So in the back of this unit there is a switch that starts off with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 as the selections. Those are the number of cylinders you would select for your engine. Obviously this is an 8, so I selected it to 8, put it back together, and boom. So now we start off with the connections. Here you can see how I kept my wires organized. I just used Scotch tape and a couple pieces of paper to label each wire. I highly recommend doing this so you don't have to reopen the tachometer and find out which wire goes to what. There are 4 connections in the back of the tachometer. Of course, you've got your power, your ground, the distributor signal, and one for the lamp inside. You have to take the lamp wire and connect it to your dimmer switch. I ran the signal from the distributor and the 12 volt positive through the firewall. And the signal from the distributor goes, on these cars where you have an actual distributor, they go to the negative terminal on the ignition coil. So I'm going to connect that there. As you can see, I'm going to have the wires nice and already looping them in and loom that. But that will get the signal to the tachometer. So we have actually added that wire. I spliced into here. As you can see, I ran the loom. Actually, that loom was already run for an amp, but I tucked that wire in there. And our distributor ignition coil is connected there, and we just ran that just around. I may loom that, I don't know. Yeah, I need to tidy that up a little bit. And here is the new setup. As you can see, we ran the loom. That looks pretty nice, but the that really works. The speedometer, tachometer, and now the moment of truth. Look at that. Well done. And it'll settle down in a little bit. You know, these older cars are. That blue light, that light's blue, saying it's cold. Fantastic. So here we are, engine's warmed up, and she should kick down and get below 1,000 RPM. There we go. Little over 600. I may step it up a little bit, but this is what the owner's manual says it should be running at for this 7-liter V8 engine. All right, there we go. That's the right idle. Nice and smooth. Still got that great rumble. but she's not turning over 10,000 RPM. That's where we should be.